Here I have OPPO Reno 6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes, just open keypad on your device and enter the secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *6776#, and this is the software information of your device. You can view all of this information here. Next code will be *888#, and this is the engineer mode. So here you have your PCB number and the QR code for it. So yeah. Next code will be *426#, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can view different informations about your connection, about your Wi-Fi connection and device ID, and a lot of other informations like this. The next code will be *225#, and this is the calendar info. If you have any calendars added on your device, you will have them here. The next code will be *07#, and this is your maximum SAR level. And the next code will be *800#, and this is the feedback menu. Here you can write report bugs on different features on your device. You can contact support, write report on any issue, and might get a feedback too. So yeah, quite useful. And the last code for today will be *06#, and this is code which displays your email numbers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.